Get some speed up through the trees for the final straight. Welcome back, guys, welcome back again. I'm in the woods today and we're going to be flying the DJI Avata 2 in manual mode through the woods. The last video I did in here, I was actually flying using the motion controller, which is a lot of fun, but I'm a manual guy, so let's get ripping in the woods manual. This is the FPV3 controller. You need this to run in manual mode. Basically, you can do some adjustments to these sticks. With the way it comes, it's like a normal kind of drone controller. It's got sprung sticks, but you can sort that out by basically under here, you can just adjust some little hex screws and then it becomes like a normal RC controller like that we're used to. So yeah, nothing much more to report about this controller. It has got an antenna under there, but it's obviously only designed, I think, really to just communicate with the goggles. So yeah, enough talking, let's get ripping. It's been a while since I flew in here manual. Nice, this thing flies really well actually. I do like it. You know, it's not obviously like no 5-inch, or it's not punchy or anything like that, like compared to like a, you know, real FPV drone, but it's blooming impressive. I liked flying the Avata through here, like the original Avata. You could get some pretty good speed up. But considering, you know, what I was doing the other day when I was flying this with the motion controller through here, I was getting a similar effect to this, but obviously, you know, using pretty much no FPV skills. Well, definitely not using any FPV skills at all. But I mean, you know, the stuff you can do now is just really impressive. Some nice blue sky out there. Whoa, nearly hit that. So yeah, so I mean, the maneuverability you've got with sort of manual mode is that, you know, you can just that much more kind of easy to get through gaps and stuff like that, and change your mind at kind of last minute. You know, definitely try to learn manual still. It's definitely a skill worth doing. It will cost you obviously the extra sort of 130 quid or whatever, you know, to buy the controller, but to be honest, it's worth doing. It is worth doing. It's a nice skill to have. Yeah, this is wicked. Really, really cool. Whoa, that is pretty close to that. Yeah, I really like it. Quite sensible. Just got to not get caught out by these trees. They sneak up on you. That's the problem. I like flying down here. I could probably go a bit faster. But I don't really want to have to go and get it. That's the thing. If I smack into anything. It's good to like hone your skills. Good thing is, if you do hit anything, then obviously you've got the prop guards and stuff, haven't you? So, you know, all that's going to happen is you're just going to sort of, you know, clip it slightly. Right. I'm trying to hit something now, but I can't. What I don't want to do is end up in like these brambles, because that's just horrible. It's a lot of fun, guys. It's slow enough to be able to do it as well. You can get some, you know, you can get your speed right down on this. when you can't hear the actual motors, that's the thing, you sort of realise how that it hasn't got as much power as like a, you know, something lighter and something with more power basically. But I will say we're on 34% battery here still, and I've been flying around, how long have we been flying? 4.5 minutes. You don't get that with a, you know, a true FPV drone. You'd be changing batteries by now for sure. Seems to be a bit of a breeze buffeting it around a little bit, but yeah guys, so that was quite close. Get some speed up through the trees for the final straight. Yeah guys, so hope you enjoyed this one. Learn manual, it's a lot of fun.